Welcome to Brain Vision.
First, writing the given data. Given that network output of ideal cycle is W net, and it is given as 150 kilojoule per kg. And back ratio is RBW is equal to 0.4, and NT is equal to NC is equal to 85%. These things are given in the question. Now going forward, as we know that W net ideal is equal to WT ideal minus WC ideal. This is the general formula. So putting the value of W net ideal here and just writing this equation like this, I am writing here. Let it be equation number 1. Now going forward and solving further, we can also write RBW is equal to WC by WT ideal. This is the formula. So putting the value of RBW here, we have another equation, that is equation number 2. So now solving equation 1 and 2, we will get something like this, which I am writing here. 150 is equal to WT ideal minus 0.4 under bracket WT ideal. So we can write WT ideal is equal to 250 kilojoule per kg. So WC ideal is also equal to 0.4 into WT, that is given. So 100 kilojoule per kg is WC ideal. Now going forward, isentropic efficiency is equal to isentropic efficiency of compressor is equal to NC is equal to WC ideal by WC actual. This is the formula for isentropic efficiency. So I am just putting all the values that are given. So on solving this, we will get WC actual is coming as 117.647 kilojoule per kg. Now going forward, we can write isentropic efficiency of turbine is equal to NT is equal to WT actual by WT ideal. This is formula for isentropic efficiency of turbine. So I am just putting all the given data here and solving this equation. So on solving this equation, we will get WT actual is equal to 212.5 kilojoule per kg. This is our answer. Now network output is equal to WT actual minus WC actual. So I am just putting the calculated value here in this equation. So we can write W net actual is equal to 212.5 minus 117.647. So on calculating this, we will get W net actual is equal to 95 kilojoule per kg. So option B is correct solution.